Of the 100 million tons of rice husk produced globally each year, 70% is underutilized. The rice husk contains about 40% crude fiber and about 20% hemicellulose. After the rice husk is pressed into granules, the volume density is greatly increased, which is convenient for mass transportation and storage. Rice husk particles can be fully and efficiently burned with a calorific value of 3,200 to 3,500 kilocalories, which is moderate and suitable for large boilers.
Year-long production of vertical centrifugal high-efficiency ring die particle machine combined with the advantages of traditional horizontal ring die and flat die particle machine, suitable for different materials, to ensure the effect of pressing. The mold is made of stainless steel with high wear resistance and vacuum quenching. Ultra-high-speed gun drill holes of high finish. The mold is wearable and easy to use. The surface of the press wheel adopts robot surfacing welding wear-resisting material, which greatly improves the life of the press wheel.
The main shaft is thickened by 15%, and the new high-stiffness bearing structure is adopted. Compared with the previous generation of machine, the bearing capacity is doubled, and the failure rate of the particle machine is reduced. Shandong Yulong, over the years to serve tens of thousands of customers, is committed to creating maximum value for customers.